Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious roast beef using an Instant Pot. If you don't have one, on the description box I will show you how to cook it on a crock pot. These are the ingredients, guys. Alright guys, we start by adding all of our ingredients to our Instant Pot. We start out by adding our beef to the bottom of the pot and then all the veggies and all the rest of the ingredients on the top. If you don't want to use the hot sauce, guys, that is okay, but it gives it a delicious flavor. Don't forget, guys, at this point we add the salt and the pepper to taste. We also add a teaspoon of oregano and some granulated garlic and a half cup of water. We also give it a little stir. And we're ready to cook this baby up. Then we just put our lid on, we close it up, lock it up, and we make sure it's to seal, not venting, sealed. And we put our pressure cook or manual to 35 minutes. Alright guys, the 35 minutes are done, and we let it steam on its own for about 13 minutes. And then after the 13 minutes are up, we just hit cancel. And then we move it to venting. Be careful because it is hot. Alright guys, all the steam is out and my valve is down. Now we can just open it up. And voila. You can now give it a little stir. You can shred the meat if you like also, but it is so tender that it will shred on its own. Alright guys, thank you for watching this super easy recipe. Now it's ready to serve. You can serve it on a plate or with rice and beans. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy, guys.